Hello friends, welcome back to On a Stamp Page. This is going to be kind of a different video. It's something I've never done before, but I just got my package from my friend Janie, the Kraft Princess's Close to My Heart party. And her Close to My Heart consultant is another good friend of mine, Jeannie Ellis. And so I decided to do an unpackaging / unboxing video, and then we might play with what is inside. So I'm really excited about this. I got some darling stamps and I can't even remember everything I got in here. So let's take this journey together, shall we? All right, so I like that it's in this instead of a box, because then I can use the bubble wrap for other things. Okay, I'm just gonna grab something out of here. That was obviously the packing slip. Okay, let's see. What's the first thing that we've got in here? Okay, the first thing we've got is this stamp set. Oh yeah, this is the stamps of the month for June 2020. It is gorgeous. So it's garden tags. It has all of these beautiful vintage images. I'm so excited to play with these. I have an idea of what I want to do with this, so I honestly might do that. So that's this first thing, which means I know I also got the dies for this. So let's go ahead and set that here. And then the next thing is, oh yeah, another stamp set. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about this one because I don't really have anything that is like, here, let's do it this way. I don't really have anything that's like tropical really, and this has a scarlet macaw, which is my favorite. So this is the stamps and the dies, okay? So it has all of these stamps, and then the ones that are blue are the dies. So, oh my gosh, super excited about that. All right, what else? Oh yeah, okay. I'm on a really big kindness kick right now, just because I feel like our world needs to be a little bit more kind. Do you agree with me? Comment below. Maybe I'll do a giveaway in this because I just feel like we need more kindness. So I got this set that says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Oh yeah, let's do a giveaway. I forgot, I got 2 of these stamp sets. Okay, so giveaway, you can earn one of these stamp sets. All you have to do is you have to be subscribed, like this video, comment below on something kind that somebody has done for you recently, okay? And I will choose sometime soon for someone to receive this stamp set because I forgot I got 2 of them. Yeah. Okay, so if you want that, that's what you gotta do. Got a few more things. Usually I get a bunch of embellishments, but I think this time I only got stamps, which is fine. I love this little one. You are loved. Like, this just could make the perfect clean and simple card. Same with this one. And then here are my tag dies. Yes, so this goes with this stamp set. I did not get 2 of these though, so I only have 1, so you'll just be getting the stamp set. But yeah, those are fun. And then here's another, in a world full of beautiful things, or the world is full of beautiful things like you, going kind of along with the kindness theme. And then I got these darling woodland creatures. I just love them. I don't know why, but I'm really on like a woodland creatures kick right now. I know I haven't been creating anything like that lately, but I definitely will need to because I'm just in love with these. I guess it's because I really love fall. I know it's summer, it just started being summer. And then look at this one, you guys. Look at this Operation Smile set. What the heck? This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this little dog reminds me of my little puppy. That's part of why I got it, but this is so adorable. Oh, okay, so I see some more videos using this stuff in the future, but I want to focus on using these tags. And what I want to do is I want to show you how you can color on Kraft cardstock, okay? So let me grab some Kraft cardstock and I will be right back. Okay, so I went through my brown scraps and I found a couple of different Kraft cardstocks. This one I know is Ginger Snap from the Stamps of Life. This is a very old piece of Kraft cardstock, and I want to say that this I just got at Michael's some point in time, but those are the 2 crafts we're going to be working with. I'll start with this one from Michael's. Okay, so we've got this beautiful daisy vintage tag, and the first thing that I'm going to do to for my coloring on Kraft is I'm gonna stamp this going with some Memento Tuxedo Black. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that looks on the Kraft. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some colored pencils. So here are the colored pencils that I use. I think that in a video I called it Fantasia, but I'm thinking it's really Fantasia. You guys, I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce things anymore. My name is difficult to pronounce. So I kind of just give people like leeway when they're trying to pronounce things, but these are the colored pencils that I use. And I'm actually gonna start by taking my white colored pencil. Okay, so you're gonna take a white colored pencil and I'm gonna color in all of the images that I want to actually have color, okay? And basically what this white does is it's laying groundwork for the other colors to pop. Now, I'm not too worried about it going out of the lines in some of these places. I don't really care. If you do care, you can just use an eraser to erase them. I know a lot of people have special erasers. Honestly, I just use a white eraser on the top of a colored pencil and it works really well. So if you really don't want those, you can easily erase them with that sort of a tool. So now that I have this white laid down on my Kraft, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna choose the colors that I want these flowers to be. Okay, so these are the colors that I've chosen to use on my images. I like to get a lighter and a darker color just so that I can shade if I want to. I'm not the best at shading, but I do like having that option. So I've got like a dark brown and a black because I kind of was thinking these are gonna be Lazy Susans instead of daisies. I've got 2 yellows for the petals and then 2 greens for the leaves. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the centers of these flowers. Loving the way that that turned out. Do you see how nicely that color lays down now that I've got the white behind it? It just wouldn't be as vibrant if I didn't. So let's go ahead and do the flowers. Orange is giving us a lot better shading of that flower. I'm loving the way this is turning out. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna keep going with the other flowers. And now the last step is to do the green of the leaves. So let's get that done. Okay, so here's what it looks like completely colored in. I absolutely love it. I know there's still some white showing, and like I said, I don't mind that. If you don't like it, definitely go ahead and cut it, or not cut it, definitely go ahead and erase it, okay? I'm gonna leave it because I like it, and I'm gonna die cut this and then be back to show you the final tag. Okay, so here it is die cut out. I'm not the best die cutter, and so this is a little uneven, but they have a little black dot in the middle here, which made it a lot easier. and I don't think this looks terrible. Feel free to disagree with me. All this really needs is maybe some ribbon and a sentiment on the back. I could put to and from with this stamp set because it's got the to and the from. I could even cut out some of these. I could cut out something like this to add a band to it. All in all, this stamp set is just absolutely amazing. So, like I said before, join me in my campaign of kindness if you would like this stamp set, which I will give out. And I'll give people, let's say, 2 weeks to comment, and then I will announce the winner. So tell me something that you have had happen to you that's been kind in the last little while, and make sure that you're subscribed and that you like. And that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to color on Kraft cardstock with colored pencils. Until next time, hugs and happy stamping, friends. Bye.